Picture the Milky Way as a sprawling city of stars, with a bustling downtown at its heart. At the very center lies a true monster, not with teeth, but with gravity. Sagittarius A. This supermassive black hole is the anchor of our galaxy, holding billions of stars, including our sun, in its grip. Sagittarius A is no ordinary black hole. It's the mass of 4 million suns packed into a space smaller than Mercury's orbit. Its gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, escapes once it gets too close. For centuries, this cosmic giant was hidden behind thick clouds of dust and gas, invisible to our eyes. Astronomers only suspected its presence by watching stars and gas clouds whip around an unseen force at the galactic center. But science is relentless, cosmic detectives searching for clues. All evidence pointed to something massive, dark and powerful at the heart of the Milky Way. Learning about Sagittarius A is like discovering the secret engine that powers our galactic city. It's not just a distant curiosity, it shapes the galaxy we call home. Every time you look up at the night sky, you're seeing a city built around this invisible monster. So, where is this monster? On a clear night, the Milky Way appears as a faint band across the sky. To find Sagittarius A, look toward the constellation Sagittarius, the teapot, where the steam would rise from its spout. The galactic center is 26,000 light-years away, unimaginably distant. Even light, the universe's speed champion, would take 26,000 years to reach it. We live in the galactic suburbs. Sagittarius A is downtown. The center is a chaotic, crowded place. Stars packed tightly, racing around at breakneck speeds, surrounded by hot gas and intense radiation. Cosmic dust blocks our view, like a thick curtain. Regular telescopes can't see through it, so astronomers turn to radio and infrared light, which pierce the dust. These special eyes gave us our first glimpse into the hidden heart of our galaxy. Only then did the secrets of the monster begin to emerge. What is a black hole, really? It's not a hole, and it's definitely not empty. A black hole is matter squeezed into an unimaginably tiny space, creating gravity so strong that nothing escapes. Imagine Earth compressed to the size of a marble, now scale that up to millions of suns. Black holes form when massive stars collapse, creating a singularity, a point of infinite density. The event horizon is the boundary. Cross it, and there's no return. Not even light can escape, making black holes invisible. So, how do we know they're there? By watching stars and gas orbiting an empty spot, or matter heating up and glowing as it falls in. It's like seeing leaves swirl in the wind. You can't see the wind, but you know it's there. Sagittarius A is a supermassive black hole, millions of times heavier than our sun. These giants anchor most large galaxies, including ours. They're the ultimate cosmic heavyweights, shaping the fate of their galaxies. We can't see the black hole itself, but we see its powerful influence. That's how we know the monster is real. Why do scientists care so much about Sagittarius A? Because it's our closest supermassive black hole. A rare chance to study one up close. Most are millions of light years away, but this one is in our backyard. Watching stars orbit Sagittarius A lets us test Einstein's theory of general relativity in the most extreme conditions. So far, the stars move just as Einstein predicted, proving our understanding of gravity holds up. Sagittarius A also helps us unravel how galaxies form and evolve. Did the black hole come first, or the galaxy? Studying this relationship gives us clues. Unlike some black holes that devour matter and blaze as quasars, ours is a sleeping giant, quiet, but still powerful. Understanding why it's calm, while others are wild, is a puzzle scientists are eager to solve. Sagittarius A is a cosmic laboratory, revealing the secrets of gravity, galaxy growth, and the universe itself. It's the key to understanding our galactic story. Finding and studying something invisible, 26,000 light-years away, took decades of detective work and cutting-edge technology. In the 1970s, astronomers detected strong radio waves from the galactic center. By 1974, they pinpointed a bright compact radio source, Sagittarius A, but didn't know it was a black hole. The breakthrough came in the 1990s when teams led by Reinhard Genzel and Andrea Ghez used infrared telescopes to peer through the dust. They tracked stars orbiting an invisible, massive object at incredible speeds. Only a supermassive black hole could explain it. Their work earned a Nobel Prize in 2020. In 2022, the Event Horizon Telescope, a global network of radio telescopes captured the first image of Sagittarius A's shadow. For the first time, we saw the silhouette of our galaxy's monster. The invisible became visible. Sagittarius A isn't just sitting there, it's the gravitational anchor of the Milky Way. While it doesn't control our sun's orbit, it governs the wild dance of stars at the galactic center. Matter spiraling in forms a glowing accretion disk heated to millions of degrees and shining in X-rays. Sometimes, black holes launch jets of energy that can blow away gas and dust, regulating star formation in the galaxy. In this way, Sagittarius A acts like a cosmic thermostat, deciding when and where new stars are born. Our black hole is quiet now, but evidence shows it was more active in the past. Giant bubbles of hot gas, Fermi bubbles, stretch above and below the galaxy, remnants of ancient outbursts. These are ghostly reminders that our sleeping giant can awaken and reshape its galactic home. The heartbeat of the Milky Way pulses from this hidden monster. Its influence reaches far beyond the galactic center. Why care about a black hole 26,000 light-years away? Because studying Sagittarius A helps us understand our place in the universe. It's a key chapter in the story of the Milky Way and our own cosmic origins. Testing Einstein's theories here strengthens our grasp of the laws that govern everything, from planets to smartphones. The quest to understand the universe drives innovation and progress. Our ability to peer into the galaxy's heart, to image an invisible monster, is a triumph of human curiosity and teamwork. It inspires us to keep exploring, questioning, and pushing boundaries. Looking out at Sagittarius A gives us perspective, a sense of scale, wonder, and connection to the cosmos. Studying this monster isn't just science. It's an adventure that expands our minds. It's a journey to the heart of our galaxy, reminding us of the beauty and mystery of the universe. And that's an adventure worth caring about.